Good morning, students. So in the last session we have studied regarding the Karnaugh map, that is K-map. We have studied the rules for K-map and we have plotted the Karnaugh map. So today, based on those rules, we'll solve the problem. So first problem is minimize the expressions y is equals to expressions. So they have given us y is equals to a b bar c plus a bar b bar c, then a bar bc a b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c bar. So they have given the equation, so we have to minimize the expression. So first what we have to do, first rule is group may not contain 0 when it is in the form of standard sum of product. So it is already in the form of standard sum of product. So first solution. First we need to see the expressions. It is having a 3 variable a, b, c. They have given only the value of a, b, c. So as we know, the 3 variable means it's 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8 cells. So you may consider horizontal or else vertical. While plotting the K-map, you can take horizontal or vertical. So first we will construct the K-map. So it is 2 raised to 3. So it is 8. It is nothing but 2 raised to n. So this is your K-map. Here you can take it as A, you can take it as B and C. Here 0 and 1. So 0 is representing A bar, A1 is A. So BC is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this entire block is having the value of 0, 0, 0. It means 0. Next 0, 0, 1. It means the value of this cell is 1. Still you are not at all putting the value of given expression. Just you are constructing the K-map. So I am just showing the each cell value. So 0, 1, 1. So the value of 0, 1, 1, it is 3. Then 0, 1, 0, it is 2. Then 1, 0, 0 is nothing but 4. 0, 1, 0, 1 is 5. Then 1, 1, 7. 1, 1, 0 is 6. How I have taken this value? I think you have studied the binary 0 to 7. 0, 0, 0. It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0 is 4, 1, 0, 1 is 5, 1, 1, 0 is 6, 1, 1, 1 is 7. In the same manner, I have given the cell value. So 0, 0, 0, it is 0. So next is 0, 0, 1. So the cell value of this is 1. 0, 0, 1. It is 1. Next 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1 is 3. So you have to write 3 over here. You can't write 0, 1, 2, 3. You have to see the variables. Next is 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0 is nothing but 2. Then you have to write 2 over here. Next 1, 0, 0. So 1, 0, 0 is nothing but 4. You have to write 4. Next 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. 5. 5. Next 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1 is 7. So 7 you have to write here. Next is 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0 is nothing but 6. Okay, so now you have constructed the K-map. So now you have to put a value for the given expression. So they have given A, B bar, C. So see where it will come. A, B bar, C. So this is A. Okay, so take it as B bar and B, C bar. Next is again B bar, C. Next BC. And next is B, C bar. Wherever 0 is there, consider it as a complement. Wherever 1 is there, take it as C. So, see the now expression first. Y is equals to A, B bar, C. So, they have given the value for A, B bar, C. It means it will come here. These value you have to write in the corner. Don't mix with the given value. These values, cell value, you have to write it in the corner. And next, A bar, B bar and C bar. So next is A bar, B bar and C bar. So where it will come? So next is A bar, B bar, C bar. So 0 is A bar. 0 is representing A bar, A. So A bar, B bar, C bar. So it will come here. So next they have given us A bar, BC. So A bar, BC, where it will come? It will come here. This is A bar and this is BC. It will come here. So next is A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. So it will come here. A, B bar, C bar. Next A, B, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. Next is here. Okay. So remaining are 0, 0, 0. So they have not given. So first we need to group. So first see the whether it is a double grouping or it will be a quarter or it will be a octet. Is there any possible quarter? Just see is it possible with the double also and quarter also. So they have told us to minimize the expression. So we have to reduce the expression as much as possible. So first what we'll do, we'll group this quarter. This is one group. Next, this one is there. Is there any one is there beside this cell? Yes, this one is going to group with this one. Overlap. As we have studied in the rules for K-map. So this is a opposite grouping. It comes, which will allow to overlap. Okay. So final expressions, what we have to write. First, you need to check with this group, this double group. Is there any common B bar and C and B, C? So C is common and here no common terms are there. Then equation is A bar C for this. This is A bar C. Then for the quarter next group, is there any common here? It is B bar. Here it is difference, 0 and 1 are there. So no need to take it. We have to neglect it. So we have reduced given expression as A bar C plus B bar. So this is your final answer. So what we have done? First, we need to check the given expression whether it is in the form of standard sum of product or product of sum. So at present the given expression is in the form of standard sum of product. So next what we have to check whether they have given for the 3 variable or 2 or 4. So at present they have given for 3 variable. So we need to take a 3 variable K-map. For 3 variable K-map, how many cells will come? It's 2 raised to n. So it is 2 raised to 3. So total 8 cells will come. So based on these 8 cells, we have to construct the K-map. So we have constructed 8 cells. So based on these cells value, so based on this variable, we have given the cells value. So these are the binary numbers. So based on these binary number, we have given the cell value, that is 0, 1, 3, 2. Don't write 2 over here. You have to see the 0, 1, 1, which will indicate the value of 3 in the binary. So that is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after that, what we have to do? We have to give the value for the given expressions. You can construct it as a vertical or horizontal. So I have taken A over here and B, C. So 0 and 1. So 0 represents A bar, 1 is representing A. Here also same. B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. Wherever 0 comes, that we have to take its complement. Then next what we have to do? We have to put a value for the given expression. So after that we have to group the cells. So once we have grouped the cells, then we have to write the final reduced equations. So this is simple example I have solved. So next one I am giving you as a homework. Please solve it and send it to me. And if you are not understanding, please let me know. So next example I am giving it as 4 variable. So that is minimize the expressions. Minimize the expressions. Given value is y is equals to a, B, C, D. I am giving 4 variable. So C bar, D bar plus A bar, B, C bar, D plus A, B, C bar, D bar plus A, B, C bar, D and plus A, B, C, then A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So this is the expression for 4 variable. I'll just give it is 2 raised to 4. It means 16 cells. Okay. So you just plot the K-map. Otherwise, I'll solve this example. Next example I'll give as a homework. So as I said, this is a 4 variable. It means 16 cells. One, 2, 3, 4. So how we'll take this? You take it as AB. This is you take it CD. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 0 0 1, same 1 1 1 0. So already I have shown for the three variables the value of cell 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So next you have to see, next will come 1 1 0 0. So in the binary 1 1 0 0 is nothing but the value of 12. So next 1 1 0 1 13. In binary will after after 9 will start representing as the value of A, B, C, D. So in K-map don't take those value of A, B, C, D. Take it as 11, 12, 13. Till F, 15 it will come. So 1, 1. Next is what? 1, 1, 1, 0. It will be 14. So next is 1, 1, 1. It will be 15. So 8 is nothing but 1000. So till 7 you know. Sorry, it is 0, 1, 1. So 7. So this is 8. Ninth one is 0, 0, 1. This is 9. So 10 is nothing but 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 10. Is it? 1, 0, 1, 0 is 10. So 1, 0, 1, 1 is 11. 1, 0, 1, 1 is 11. So 1, 1, 0 is 12, 13, 14. So based on this binary, we'll give the cells value. So here we can't take 8. So 1, 1, 0. What it will indicate? 1, 1, 0. It will be 12. So here we'll take 8. Don't do mistake. Don't write over here 8. So 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0, what it will indicate? 8. So 8. So next 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. It is nothing but 9. So write it as 9. Next 10 you don't write here because 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Is it 10? No. So 1, 0, 1, 1 is nothing but the value of 11. So 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. 11. So 1, 0, 1, 0, it is 10. So next, same. 1, 1, 0, 12. 1, 1, 0, 1, 13. 1, 1, 1, it is 15. Don't take 14 over here. So 1, 1, 1, 0, it is 14. So now your K-map is constructed. Now you have to put the values for the given expression. First is A bar, B, C, D bar. First you write it. It is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, next AB, next A, B bar. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, then CD, then C, D bar. First, A bar, B, C bar, D. So first A bar, B, C bar, D. It will come over here. So 1. So next, whatever the expressions they have given, I'll put the values over there. Okay. So wherever it will come, you put it. Remaining you put it as 0 because you will not get any confusion. 0. So 0, 0. So this is also 0. So next, what you have to do? You have to group the given expression. Next is, first you see whether any double or quarter or octet group is there. So it will be like this also. Instead of, as we have to reduce the expressions, don't take more groups. Just we have to reduce the expression, so concentrate on it. Then form the groups. So this is one group, quarter, correct. Next is what? You can, any one is there beside this given expression, then do the group. Then this is a single group. You can take like this also or like this also. So 3 groups, correct. We'll see the final expressions. So first what we'll do? First we'll start with this single group only. So is there any common with this row? A bar, B bar and C, D bar? No. Then we have to write it as full for this single group. So the expression is A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So next group. So this is quarter. So common over here is C bar. Take it as C bar. Then common here is B. So then expression is B, C bar plus this group C bar, D. Common in this variable is A. So write it as A, C bar, D. If there is no common, then you have to write full expression. If it is any possible you are having any common variable, then you have to take it as common. Okay, so this is regarding the 4 variable K-map. First what we did? First we have to check whether given expression is in the form of sum of product or product of sum. And then we have to see the variables. How many variables they have given to solve the K-map.